This is my cameraman, Nick. And he's got a problem. He's always swearing. What?
Oh, Nathan! You idiot! What are you doing?
Now this really wouldn't be an issue if it weren't for Dave Games, who's been wreaking havoc in the comments section. He said, please tell your other cameraman to stop swearing. He is so silly and goofy, and I hate swearing. But you know what, Dave Games? Of course. Now to really get into the mind of Nick, I organized a quick little 10-second interview. Let's see how this goes.
My name is Nick. I'm 18 years old, and I have a swearing problem.
So when did this all start?
It started when I was 7. I was playing Donkey Kong Jungle Beat. I mean, that's the gist of the, shit, I dropped my phone.
What? Now how do I even stop a professional cameraman from swearing? This thing right here is a sound sensor, and basically all it does is sense sound frequencies. I hooked it up to this Arduino and then coded it on screen here. Look at all this coding. I coded it so that whenever the volume reaches a certain threshold, this red LED right here, it should flicker. I don't know yet. So let's say, for example, I'm sick and I'm screaming and coughing at it. As you can see on screen here, the values are spiking up whenever I make a loud noise, and the LED barely flickers, which means it kind of works. Alright, so I've made a few system upgrades right here. We've got an alarm system, there's a touch screen, and even a motor for the Fortnite Deagle trigger. I've got like 2 hours of audio files from Nick, so all I've got to do now is analyze them and try to figure out how to program them into this thing. But in the meantime, Alright, Nick, do you have any idea what we're doing today?
No, I don't. Where are we?
I don't know.
It seems dangerous.
Who are these people?
Look at this.
What the fuck is that?
We gotta take a closer look at this thing. So, I mean, it kind of looks like crap, but it's got like a few issues. There's some jumbling wires. This thing is a little bendy because I only put one screw in it, but it doesn't really matter that much. So Nick, are you ready to suit up?
Sure.
All right, nice. Nick's all suited up right now. Yeah, let's turn it on. I got the battery somewhere in my pocket. The arm kind of broke off, so Nick's just gonna point it at his face.
This is how the end of my life will be.
Let's say you're really angry at Geometry Dash and you fail. Swear, Nick, swear.
Shit!
Oh, it worked!
Shit! This is degrading.
Shit!
What the fuck, dude? Okay,
wait, is it broken?
It's probably broken.
That mic.
I found the way to do it.
That actually went pretty good. How do you think it went, Nick?
I think it went great.
I have to actually let you guys in on a little secret. So I accidentally cut the video to make it look like it worked, but it actually only worked like 10% of the time. All right, you can go back. But luckily, I upgraded to this thing. Now this is called a sound, oh crap, hold on. I actually have to read what it's called. I don't remember what it's called. It's some weird name. So this thing's actually called the Speak Recognition Voice Recognition Module. I programmed a short little software program. It's only like 1,000 lines. Pretty light work for me. So I've prepared a list of 7 swear words and like edgy phrases and things for Nick to say. And then when we run the program on this like sound recognition, whatever, it'll read the sound waves and then like get the exact word. So it's not gonna go off for just blowing on it or like yelling at it and just loud noises. Yeah, we got the program all loaded up. So now we're gonna train it, or Nick's gonna train it, not me. So in the last version, this LCD screen right here was causing me some issues because, I mean, look at all these pins. These were all covered with wires, which is kind of why the whole thing was a mess. Luckily, today's video sponsor is a company known as VEVOR. VEVOR has sent me this hydraulic press, which I've been using as a table for my recording setup. Now, VEVOR sent me this hydraulic press in the mail as an easy way to dispose of my LCD screen. There are thousands of uses you can use. You can make satisfying videos, you can smash stuff, and you can do automotive stuff with it. Check the top link in the description to get your paws on one of these things. I've already spent hours crushing things, and it is so much fun. Let's get back to where we left off, which is the build montage. So I just told Nick that I'm gonna go pick him up right now to test the anti-swearing machine, but little does he know, I actually set up a fake murder in my basement where CPK is gonna be hiding in the closet trying to kill him. So then hopefully we can startle him into swearing. And then after that, we're gonna do the rest of the tests. Ready to come inside, Nick?
Are you gonna record this?
No. Dang it, it didn't work. Okay.
That's the scariest shit ever.
Hey, you gotta...
Oh, my bad.
I accidentally forgot to finish recording the build montage. So here, let me briefly explain. We got some foam right here. We got this stuff. There's the beeper down here. The microphone, it's rated for gaming. Perfect. And yeah, that's basically it. So VEVOR guys, with the sponsorship, they actually gave me this note and they wanted Nick to read it for me.
Why is there a sad face and a drop of blood on it? So it looks like it's a list of swear words that I'm supposed to say. Let's get started. Fuck. Shit. I can't believe VEVOR would send me such a vulgar list. Bitch. Ass. Eric. Extreme demon. Why didn't it work?
Oh, maybe it's not a swear.
Oh, it's just something that makes me swear.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
VEVOR knows you.
Yeah, VEVOR. This is gonna be a long one. Asshole bitch. Fuck you, stupid ass fucker bitch, bro. Fuck. That was the whole thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You gotta say bro.
No, I said bro.
Okay, good.
I think I've learned my lesson. I think my addiction is starting to wear off a little bit more.
Actually?
Yeah, honestly. Thank you, VEVOR.
Before the video ends, I have a quick little announcement. Random Creations Official LLC. We are working on our first product, the camping safety lighter device. If you guys have any interest at all in one of these things, DM me on Instagram right now. It's right there. Just DM me, be like, I am interested. And then I'll keep like a spreadsheet, you know, to see if people are actually interested in the product. See you in the next one. What the fuck is that?
Bro, I hate you. You're an asshole, you know that? You're